Libby.
I have a Teddy.
We have Teddy. Do you know who this is? Who is it?
Let's see. It's a baby. Is he a baby?
Who is it?
Oh.
His baby out.
It's what?
His head's out.
He's out.
The baby's out? The baby's out of mommy's tummy?
So,
Sure. Yeah. Say hi, baby. Oh, softly. Where in the world are we? That is a good question.
Libby, where are we?
Hmm.
Thinking it through.
We were on the deck and I was looking at pictures of her and I see your brother, I see your brother. And she's
It's Ian. You say hi, Ian.
and she starts looking at her stomach. I said, no, he's out. So she gets up and starts looking all over you.
How's your eye?